Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor cooking with what can only be described as the best grill for restaurants available in the market. Say hello to the MFSTUDIO 4-burner propane gas barbecue grill. This grill isn't just any ordinary outdoor cooker. It's a powerhouse of performance and functionality. With heavy-duty porcelain enameled cast iron grates, it boasts non-stick, rust-resistant, and crack-resistant properties, ensuring durability and ease of use. Equipped with 4 individual control burners and an additional side burner, totaling an impressive 42,000 BTU. This grill delivers fast and efficient outdoor cooking every time. Whether you're grilling up steaks, burgers, or even simmering a delicious soup on the side, this grill has you covered. With a generous 542 square inches of cooking space, you can easily prepare meals for gatherings of up to 15 people. Plus, features like the built-in temperature gauge for easy heat control and the double-layer lid for superior warmth retention elevate your grilling experience to new heights. And let's not forget about convenience. The stainless steel finish not only enhances durability but also adds a touch of elegance to your outdoor space. With 4 galvanized casters, including 2 lockable ones, moving this grill around is a breeze. Plus, with 24/7 online service standby and a 1-year warranty, your satisfaction is guaranteed. But don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the quality, ease of assembly, temperature control, and overall performance of the MFSTUDIO grill. From juicy burgers to perfectly seared steaks, this grill delivers mouthwatering results every time. So, if you're ready to take your outdoor cooking game to the next level, look no further than the MFSTUDIO 4-burner propane gas barbecue grill. Trust us, it's not just a grill. It's a culinary game-changer. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy grilling!